Hello there again, YouTube, and welcome to another vlogging video. And like I mentioned yesterday, the temperatures have been really low. Let's see. Let's actually check right now. Temperature it is that says 12.7 degrees. So yeah, it is 12.7 degrees. And yesterday I mentioned the snowstorm. This is only a little bit of it, and still gonna be snowing all day tomorrow. Actually around 8 p.m. already. School already got canceled for tomorrow. And yeah, we're 6 to 10 inches now. Well, not right now, but scheduled to be. I think we already have a few. And since it is so cold, the salt isn't working that well, so you can barely see the street also, just the car tracks of when cars come through. And yeah, like I said, this is only a little bit of it. There is supposed to be at least a foot to 18 inches in upper New York and New England, areas like that. And so I'm gonna be going for a few hours here, and it's gonna be going I know I said all day tomorrow, but it's really only till 10 a.m. But yeah, that's the snow. That's the snow currently at 9:30 p.m. on Thursday. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a like. If you like all my videos, subscribe. And links to all my other channels down below. This is probably going to be my last vlog for this week, because this is my third one already this week. And, yeah, I think it's time for me to take a break from vlogs. But yeah.